Hi, so it's been raining for the last 3 days now. We have 2 more days to go in Southern California, so you can see how wet it is. And I did not cover any of my succulents. I usually leave them like that. I have a couple of them die. I'm not gonna lie to you, but the ones that survive are pretty hardy. You can hear the planes up ahead. You can see them here. See how wet they look? I like when you see this drops of water here. They're cool, huh? Just get rid of the water here. You hear all the water coming out. See a lot of them. My backyard is a little bit of a mess. I am a plant hoarder, as you may know. I used to be a quiche hoarder, but now I'm not. You see this jade is marbled. It's one of my favorite ones. And this one was one of the ones that I bought. I bought this pot at the 99-cent store. And the 99-cent store's been having different prices. I bought this one for 99 cents. I went to another one, they had it for $1.99. I think it depends on the manager. Looks like a silver dollar. I don't know its name. Look how pretty it is. And I don't know the names of most of these new purchases because they are from Succulents. Now this one isn't rooted. When you're buying plants, be careful. Make sure they're rooted. It wasn't rooted when I was repotting it. I noticed that it was just in there, but it's not rooted. This one was rooted. I think my friend said that this was called Bunch of Cuteness, or cute little bunch, something like that. And of course the pin cushion. And this one, I don't know the name for it either. A pretty rosette from the top. And there you can see my orchids. This is where I keep my orchids, or my mom keeps her orchids. That one you can see right there. It's gonna have some orchids coming out. They're brown with yellow. Just a quick view of my backyard right now that it's wet. There are 2 more days to go, Monday and Tuesday. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday, and talk to you later.